Hey guys, in this video, I'm gonna show you how you can start fantasy draft with friends in Madden 27. It's pretty easy. All you gotta do, select franchise and go to create/load, select create new league, and of course we wanna play with our friends. We're gonna select play online. Now here you can select the option roster file if you have custom roster loaded. Now keep in mind this option will use the currently loaded roster. So just select a roster file once you load your roster and they'll start importing the roster. After that you gotta choose the team. I'll select Eagles. Now choose the coach type. I'll select this one. Now once you do that guys, you'll able to see window like this, and here we how to select the fantasy draft. And of course you can go to league settings. Here if you go to commissioner tab, you'll able to make your league public or private. It is up to you. And also you can enter the league name so that your friends can easily search for your league, and also enter the password so that they can enter the password and able to join your league. So this is the first way by which you can friends join your league. Then there's another way I'll show you later in the video, but for now we gotta select the option start playing fantasy draft. Select continue. Okay, and here you can see we have the option start your fantasy draft, so select that. Now the second way by which your friends can join your league is by going into options tab, select members, and here you can simply select the team. You will see the option invite friends. Like here you can see invite user. We gotta select that. You can invite your friend either by entering their ID, or you can also invite them from the friends list. Now guys, if you're wondering where your friends can see the invitation, so they just gotta open this window and they need to go to accept or decline, and here they'll able to see the invitation. Of course I don't have any, that's why I'm not able to say anything, but that's the section where they need to go and they'll able to accept your invitation. Apart from that, they can search the league name by going into the search icon. They can enter the name of your league and they can basically enter the password and able to join your league. This is the second way. And besides that, they can also press the R3 key to open the EA Connect window, and here they can just go to game invites and able to see all the invitation. And yeah, that's all there is to it. This is exactly how you'll able to start fantasy draft with friends in Madden 27. Hope this would help you out. If it did, please leave a like and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.